Hello. Let me revise.
Yes.
Let me revise.
Yes.
RBC means red blood cell. WBC white
WBC.
blood cell.
White blood cell.
Then plasma. Clear. And fourth
Yes.
is
Platelets.
Platelets.
Yes. And
Platelets.
it is this platelets which when there is a cut, then the blood clots
So that
there
is formed on.
and stops bleeding. Stops bleeding.
Very good, sir.
हाँ, वेरी गुड। ऐसे ही सब बच्चे हमारे तैयारी करते जाएं तो कितना अच्छा रहेगा। We will not be generally English teacher is blamed by the science teacher and the maths teacher. Generally, commonly, English teacher is blamed. What can the teachers do if they have not the vehicles of English to run over science and maths? It is the mistake of English teacher who has not taught English to understand. That I am blamed. Think over it. I am blamed. That if you have the perfection of the language, you can easily understand science and maths both. And both the subjects will be easier. For example, I have just furnished an example. A student of your class presented on through audio. I listened it and I remembered because my English is good. Means I can express my views in English. That's why I understood it well. बात सही है कि नहीं अनीता? अनीता बात सही है कि नहीं? भारती, नेहा,
Yes.
ये बात सही
Yes,
है?
sir.
Prepare your English, science and maths, social study, all the subjects will be easier than what you feel today. Okay? And your video should be on. Prince sir has told that when I miss classroom situation is not formed on the screen, and so it should not be. Classroom situation should be formed. Okay, now tell me which book to take in hand. Which
Supplementary.
book to take in hand?
Supplement.
Supplementary.
Yes, and Megha.
Sir.
Whenever you send an audio, and that is only of 1 minute and 40, sometimes 48, sometimes 120. भागने से काम नहीं चलेगा. At least it should be of 4-5 minutes only. Then you can use more than 2,000 words. If you speak for 5 minutes, only then you can use 2,000, more than 2,000 words. And in those, the main points will certainly come. Is it clear? Now Jyoti.
Yes, sir.
Can you define between veins and artery? Veins and artery. I am running over the science because I am rightly going on with my own subject. Can you define between veins? What is the work of veins and what is the work of artery? That is a question you will have to solve it and will have to make have to record it and send it on. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I can.
Okay. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then which book to take in hand?
Supplementary.
Supplementary. Okay. I have brought both to follow your order.
Sir,
हाँ
so
जी।
poem complete हो गया सर
Yes. Have I not completed the whole poem?
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
Okay.
थोड़ा बचा
थोड़ा
था।
बाकी था।
थोड़ा बचा हुआ है तो थोड़ा आप लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं? Oh my God.
No, sir. Without you, we are nothing. Without permission.
Yes, just tell me the poem Macavity. Who does not
Yes, sir.
follow the,
Macavity.
who does not follow the law of
Gravity.
very good, very nice. Macavity does not follow the rule of
Gravity.
and all the Scotland Yard squads are busy to reach there where the crime is done, but they do not find
Macavity.
Yeah.
Gravity.
Even the rich people cannot find our fakir. Even the rich people cannot find Macavity or a fakir. गए लखनऊ. Rich people or fakir, which one has been discussed here in this poem?
Fakir.
Yes, fakir. And what do you mean here by fakir? Means a sant. A hermit. Who is spiritual. Who is spiritual. Who knows the spirit. Who knows the spirit. The physical, if the physical form is not found out, the fakir, one who knows about the spirit, he is also unable to find Macavity. Is it clear?
Yes.
In that sense, fakir word has been using, has been
Used.
very good.
Sir, he has been used.
तो क्या मीनिंग होगा अनीता? बहुत धन्यवाद. हैज बीन यूज्ड का मीनिंग क्या होगा अनीता? ओनली अनीता.
यूज किया है.
गए लखनऊ.
यूज
हैज बीन यूज्ड.
यूज किया गया है.
वेरी गुड. कौन बोले?
अविनाश.
उसे पकड़िए. मैं only to Anita. So Anita, be clear. Roma is not lagging behind. She is very faster. She is framing sentences with Manu, Vaibhav, Rosani, and all the right students. She has become so active.
Sir, today I will send you 2 articles.
Yes. So you should be mobilized or generated or electrified. 3 में से चूज कीजिए. आपको कैसा होना चाहिए? मोबिलाइज होना चाहिए, जनरेटेड होना चाहिए, एक्टिव होना चाहिए, या इलेक्ट्रिफाइड होना चाहिए?
So electrified.
Yes, like electricity should work in class 8 to change your
future.
हाँ क्या?
Future, yes.
नहीं.
Future.
You should be electrified in class 8 to change your
Class 9.
नहीं, fate. Fate means भाग्य. Fate means भाग्य. फ्यूचर को यूज किए थे.
Yes, sir.
Change your future means here fate. Okay.
तो क्या बोले सर?
हाँ, okay. Let us come to. I have already talked here, Sachin. Now come to the book. His coat is dusty from neglect.
Yes.
Due to his neglect, या something else. Neglect या something. Which word will come? Right word. Due to his coat was dusty.
Neglect.
गए लखनऊ. due to his negligence. Negligence is now, and after due to noun comes. Okay, his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head, moves his head left and right, from side to side, means from left to right, right to left, with movements like a snake. Which another animal has been compared with the Macabity?
Snake.
A
Snake.
Why?
Snake.
Why Macabity has been compared with a snake?
His movement.
His
Because
movement.
he is a head of movement.
Yes, movement.
Because of his movement.
Yes.
Because of his head's movement.
Yes.
Not.
And when you think he half asleep, what is S apostrophe S? Either is or has.
He has.
क्या लखनऊ?
Is.
अरे ये झटहा नहीं फेंकना है, एक पत्थर फेंक दिया आम को लिया तो देखा मेरा निशाना, ऐसा नहीं, सोच समझ करके. He is half asleep. Asleep is adverb. Sleep is verb. Asleep is adverb. Asleep means सोया हुआ. So he is half asleep. He is always wide awake. Though now here we can make a sentence. Though it seems that Macabity is half asleep, he is awake. यद्यपि जान पड़ता है लेकिन वह सोया हुआ नहीं है, वह अवेक है. दो क्लियर.
Yes.
Though
Yes, sir.
though he seems half asleep, he is awake. Which one is principal clause here?
He
is awake.
He is awake. Very good, Avinash. Very good. He is awake is the principal clause, and the sentence starting with though is a
Subordinate clause.
subordinate clause. Very good. Macabity, there is no one like Macabity. Macabity cannot be, next, fill in the blanks. Macabity cannot be
compared with anyone.
Compared with anyone.
Very good. Macabity cannot be compared with anyone. He is quite different. Different.
Unique. Anokha.
Yes. For he is a find in feline shape. Feline means thin shape. And
बिल्ली के समान.
yes, devil, very good. Like monster. Because Satan. Yes. And do you know Satan is a Hindi word, but Milton, Lord Milton has used Satan as a monster in his great epic Paradise Lost. Milton has written only, in English literature there is one epic. In Hindi there are two. In Hindi there are two. Sanskrit there are two epics, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana. But in English there is one epic, and that is Paradise Lost. In there is a character Satan, and Satan's work is like a Satan. Means he has selected this word from Hindi. बहुत इधर उधर की बातें करता हूं, but it is not harmful, and it will not it will already enhance your knowledge. A monster of depravity, deprive
भ्रष्टता.
वंचित करना.
Moral corruption.
क्या ज्योति?
सर भ्रष्टता और moral corruption.
Yes, a monster of depravity. So what a person like this deprive the facilities from you. Such a people is called such a person yes, damages you. The person who damages you deprives you from your privilege. You may meet him. You may meet him in a by street. In a by street means a small street means एक street जो दूसरा खुल जाता है, the by street. Beside, by street means by means here beside. He sat by me. It means that he sat beside me. The by street means एक street में से दूसरा street जो खुलता है गली. You may see him in the square. Square means roundabout. Roundabout.
Four sides
Yes,
are
sir.
equal.
Four
Very
road.
good. Very good, Anita. A square means
Yes.
roundabout. Roundabout means chauraha. Yes, yes. But when a crime is discovered, Arnab is discovered. Discovered means pata lagana. The is discovered, is played. I am supporting you. नहीं.
पता लगाया.
नहीं, is played. ना.
पता लगाया.
गए लखनऊ.
पता है.
गए तुम नहीं पता है.
पता किया. ऑन करो. पता किया.
खेला जाता है. वेरी गुड. इज प्लेन खेला जाता है तो इज जिसका पता लगाया जाता है. The when a crime is discovered, जब एक अपराध का पता लगाया जाता है, अपराधी नहीं, क्राइम से बनता है क्रिमिनल, तब होगा अपराधी. The when crime is discovered, जब किसी अपराध का पता लगाया जाता है, then McAvity is not there, is not present there. Is it okay? I have,
Yes, sir.
you have in blue letters some words which have been defined and find you have found out or relating to a cat. Feline has been depravity, moral corruption. Yes. So you can easily do this poem. Now take out supplementary. We have done. We are rightly going on. Hello. We
Yes,
are
sir.
rightly going
Chapter
on.
4.
We are rightly
Chapter
going
4.
on.
Chapter 4.
हाँ, ज्योति नहीं, हाँ chapter 4.
Yes, sir.
That
Yes, sir.
teacher
Supplementary.
within.
The teacher within.
Yes.
Freezer within.
मैं सोचा मैं इसलिए कह रहा था कि rightly going on because I took out Princess September and this is the month of September and that's why I told because this lesson was to be taught in the month of September but I don't think that we will cover it in this month. Okay. Princess September must be dealt in the month of September, but due to COVID-19, we are not on the track, right on the track, and we are lagging behind only one lesson. So thanks to you, due to you, I am able here, even on Zoom, I am very near to the coverage of lessons, due to you. Because you supported, all of you supported me and continued the learning. Every child is a potential achiever. No one is. Because I have been seeing in my whole life, I have been seeing, means मैं देखता आ रहा हूँ in my whole life. Yes, because have you heard the name of a village, Adkhani?
Yes, sir.
Adkhani is a village after Radhaur. after Adhaur Sutihara, and then there is to the north part of Sutihara, there is a village, Adkhandi. There was a student once nearly 15 years ago, and when I used to take class, his class in class 8 and 8, he was very poor in English and in all the subjects. But there was awakening in his life, and in class 9th he changed a little, and in class 10th he obtained 84%, and in class 12th, when he appeared in class 12, in the same year, he also appeared in G. G means engineering entrance test.
Engineering exam.
Yes, engineering exam. And you will be surprised that he obtained a good place. So you can see within the learning of 3 years, he changed his whole life. It happens. So that's why I always tell you not to be disappointed. कभी निराश मत होइए. जो बच्चे कमजोर हैं वो कभी निराश नहीं होइए. आप लगे रहिए. And the day is not away when you can show your caliber. Okay. Every child need not to tell every child.
प्रत्येक.
Yes, a child है, children नहीं है.
प्रत्येक बच्चा.
हाँ, is a
प्रत्येक बच्चा.
Yes, वो तो meaning हो गया. But here grammatically point is each, every, another take a singular noun after that. And that's why here child, after every child. Though we mean here that more than one child. Every means more than one, there are more than one. Even then every takes singular. Every child, each, every, another. And other takes plural. Some takes
both singular and plural.
Both. Very good. Some takes singular and plural. And both BOTH, both.
Plural.
Plural.
A few, and the few.
Singular.
गए लखनऊ.
Take plural.
Plural. हाँ, तो एक singular कर दिया तो अब एक ही न बच गया, तो वो तो होगा ही. A little and the little. Singular. So be conform of all these determiners, because in class 9th, in class 8 you have studied, and I have been reminding about these from class since I joined the your school.
Class 6.
Yes, class 6. Child is potential. Potential means power. Potential means power. Yes, potential achiever, powerful achiever, and is different from other children. Other has come, and so children.
Plural आ गया सर.
आ गया plural. सिर्फ पढ़ते समय में ध्यान देना है, फिर तो जय जय है. But your Jay has left your class. He has joined
class 9.
Yes, he has joined class 9. In her, his style of learning and area of interests. So every child has a different state of learning. Only the interest should be with him or her. Read the interview that follows. It is based on, underline it, based on a conversation between Miss Bella Raja. Miss Bella Raja
So who?
Editor
Who
of
was? Who was the editor? Who was
Very
the
good.
editor?
Three blanks. Who was the editor of Sparse? What is Sparse? A magazine. Clear? A newsletter from the resource center. This is the institution, organization. The Valley School. The school. You can take your food.
12 o'clock.
The Valley School. The Valley was in the school was in Valley.
Bangalore.
The Valley was in Bangalore. The school was in Valley, and Valley was in
Which was situated in Bangalore.
Bangalore. And a match was played yesterday. 2020 match was played between
RC.
Hyderabad.
Between Bangalore
Challengers Bangalore and Sunrisers
Hyderabad. And I am happy to say you that Bangalore
Has won.
win nahi.
Won.
Yes,
Won.
Bangalore won. आगे
The match.
18 runs.
match
18 runs.
SRH.
by 10 runs. And today
Sir,
Today-
CSR.
full sentence. Today a match
Today the match will be played
Between CSK and RR.
between CSK and RR.
RR versus CSK.
yes
Match will be played between CSK.
a match very good. A match will be played between my favorite team and Rajasthan
CSK. Yes.
Royal.
Royals.
My
Sir, आपका favorite
favorite
CSK है sir?
my favorite समझ में आ गया?
Yes sir.
sir.
CSK.
ओके उसके लिए अलग से
सर, मेरा
sentence
भी
नहीं
वही है।
बनाना
Sir,
पड़ेगा।
I hope you will win.
सर मेरा भी
Yes.
वही है सर CSK.
ओके
मेरा भी वही है.
तब
लेकिन तुम्हारा
हम
थोड़ा
दोनों
हाथ है।
तब अविनाश हम दोनों दोस्त हो गए. ओके The Valley School, Bangalore, and Mr. Hafiz contractor. He later became a contractor. One of आया है तो next noun singular होगा या plural?
Plural.
हाँ.
One of the students.
Now here which word is plural?
Architects.
Architects.
The one of India's leading architects. Nowadays he is one of the best architect in the world.
World.
Okay. Once again, I am a student. Do you know I always use that education starts from the
Birth to old age.
Birth to old.
नहीं मेरा idioms नहीं आ पाया. Education starts from cradle to grave.
Grave. To grave.
Yes,
grave.
remember this. And I am even now I am a student. I am a student teacher. You know that I am learning nowadays science, and you are my teachers. You are teaching me
And also computer.
science and social studies.
And also computer.
ओ नहीं इसमें तो मैं
You
भकोला
are learning.
ना कंप्यूटर में मैं अभी भकोला न दूं. अभी आप सिखा देंगे कल मैं जाके भूल जाऊंगा. Hafiz contractor was an unhappy school boy. He loved doing things but detested. Oh my God. क्यों मैं कहा oh my God?
Detested.
Very good. Now tell the
Mechanical.
Hate.
tell the meaning. Hate. Very good,
Hate.
Avinash.
घृणा
Very
करना.
good, Avinash. Hate, detest, or
Despise.
scoff, despise, or
Loathe.
okay. Detested mechanical learning. That he did not like. Hafiz did not like learning mechanical. He was just like Jasar, who did not like mechanical learning. Mathematics gave him the severs. Sever means
Rumbler. Kapna.
yes,
Kapna.
tremble. Sever means tremble. Very good.
सर
Yes.
सर अब कटने वाला है, सर अब कटने वाला है।
तो बचे रहो 10 मिनट।
नहीं
हाँ okay. What his principal once said to him influenced him deeply. What? Hello. Namaskar. His principal once said to him, influenced him deeply. Once his principal, a boy who did not pay attention to study, which boy? Hafiz contractor. In his childhood, in his school, as a school student, he did not pay attention to his study. One day, his principal advised him. His principal told him something and which influenced him, and he changed his
Life.
yes, he changed his habits. He changed his habits and became the great winner in future. Okay, may I start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
HC means Hafiz contractor.
Chief contractor. Chief contractor. Hafiz.
And BR means
Hafiz contractor.
and BR means
Bela Raja.
Bela Raja.
Bela Raja.
Okay, I used to have means रखना. I used to have.
रखा करता था.
हाँ,
रखा करता था.
The terrible nightmare. The terrible nightmare. Nightmare means
सपना.
डरावना सपना.
very good.
भयानक सपना.
Very good. Terrible means fearful. है ना? Horrible. Horrible. Fearful. Terrible. Okay.
Yes.
देखा करता था. You used to see. Here have means used to see. Only now, over the last 4 to 5 years, it seems to have disappeared. Means nowadays, after 4 to 5 years, means from 4 to 5 years, he has not such a terrible dream. When we become confident, when we solidify ourselves in liquid position and in gaseous position, we not take rest. But when we become solid, only then we can take rest. So he solidified himself. It means that he became confident. And this disappeared. This nightmare disappeared him. जो डर गया
वो मर गया.
जो जो डर गया वो मर गया।
उसको
कि ना ये मुझसे पार नहीं लगेगा, वही नहीं हो पार लगाता है। बट
सर ये भी तो होता है सर, डर के आगे जीत है।
हाँ, ये बात भी तुम सही कर रही हो, डर के आगे जीत है, इसलिए मत डरो। बात वही है, डर क्यों डरते हो? डर के आगे जीत है, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई, ये है ना ज्योति? इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर।
ओके, अब आप कितना अच्छा आते बोलते हैं। 5-6 मिनट, एक दिन तो आपका 10 मिनट का रिकॉर्ड था, 10 मिनट टप गए थे, परंतु अब कहाँ कंपन होती है। और पहले का सोचेगा तो पहले कितना रटना पड़ता था, अब रटना पड़ता है, अब नहीं रटना पड़ता, अब सिर्फ आप पॉइंट्स ले लेते हैं और उसको अपने मन से डील करते हैं। ये प्रैक्टिस, इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्रैक्टिस। ओके, नाउ बेला राजा, what nightmare are you talking about, and why do you think it has disappeared now? Means it is not this nightmare, this fear is not with you. The same question is being asked by
बेला राजा।
बेला राजा
to
HC.
yes,
हफीज कंट्रैक्टर।
yes.
कंडक्टर।
Why do you think it has disappeared now? Means this fear, this nightmare is not coming to Hafiz contractor, because he has developed confidence. When interest is developed, then confidence automatically comes. I, हाफिज कंट्रैक्टर, I used to get, अब कुछ थोड़ा सा वाक्य बना लेते हैं। मैंने अगर हम पर्यावरण के प्रति अभी भी सजग नहीं होते हैं तो आने वाले समय में हमें मार्स पर जाना पड़ेगा। कुछ नहीं, मैं दोबारा नहीं बोलने वाला हूं। यू कलेक्ट एन आइडिया, द टोटल, एंड देन फ्रेम योर ओन सेंटेंस।
If we do not pay attention
Yes.
to our environment,
Yes.
If we not take our environment seriously,
we will have to go in Mars in future.
In future, very good. We will have to shift ourselves for our survival on the Mars. लेकिन हमारे साइंटिस्ट अभी तक मार्स पर ऑक्सीजन और पानी के रिसोर्स का